Whoa. Tell me what you wanna be. Game ain't free. Get my best dress, but I need blue cheese. Never say please. Take out what I want in this life. No salad, but I need blue cheese. Tell me what you wanna be. Game ain't free. Got it on lock, but I need new keys. Never gon' leave. Take out what I want in this life. No salad, but I need blue cheese.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Yeah. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. So don't nobody else make me feel like. Yeah. Don't nobody else make me feel like.
I've been California dreaming. Up late night, hey night, I ain't sleeping back and forth every other weekend. This is the life that I wanted and I did it, I ain't done, this is the beginning. And you can have it too if you want it, gotta get it. Don't let no one ever tell you different. That's the difference. How you gon' make it from blinding your own vision? Know that fake it till you make it, yeah, it's overdue. You ain't gotta tell the truth. Okay, that what you gotta take, you gotta make it true. Seen it all, done it all, yeah, this shit I'm lose. My shit I'm getting, I be eating whole foods. Homegrown fruit trees in my
one day you'll see me on your TV. You know me, you can reach me. I'm not that far away, far away. And I've been searching for the times when lost inside my mind. When y'all don't know me anyway, anyway. Now you let it know, money in abundance. Got a couple hundred beats, thought that I was done with, but I must have lived it, that's what I'm around with. Always struggling on the team, that's why I think I run shit. Captain, voila, rapping, father. Don't you hit me up if you ain't talking about the dollars. You can back it up, watch your mouth before you bother. When you see that you're numbers, while we talk, then that's what problems. Yeah, I'm talking nonsense, why you said I'm bland, no? I have never stopped this, I push it to the cash, speak to my neighbors. Why you said I made it? I've been on the same shit, just put me on your playlist. It's that day to day, she's staying on. One day, you'll see me on your TV. You know me, you can reach me. I'm not that far away, far away. And I've been searching for the times when lost inside my mind. When y'all don't know me anyway, anyway.
It's my first year on it. And look, it's been good racing with the boys in every round, just building. And then that motor just had a little hiccup and tucked the front, false neutral, but picked it up and I knew I had to win this, so look, I'm real pumped. Who would you like to play? Brent, Browne, Carl from College Yamaha. Look, they guys do everything for me and my dad. I'm under their trunk at every same round, and look, Brent goes back and forth to help set up. Like it's a big commitment to do what we do, and look, these kind of results make it all worthwhile.
Them clone fools got no sauce, get tossed to the top of the doodle pile.
When we were young, the future was so bright. The old neighborhood was so alive. And every kid on the whole damn street was gonna make it big and not repeat.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along to see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like. Cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. Who knows it's what it seems. Got a pocket full of dreams in a world that'll freeze. So enjoy the warm breeze. I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. There's nothing I want more, nothing else I wanna see. To grab a mic and hit a stage and kill it on the scene. Persevere for my team so they can acquire cream. Find out what the words pays off really mean. Breathing life to a dream my peers wouldn't believe. But I'm running out of breath or I forgot how to breathe. It's been colder than ever, nothing like I remember. Like spring is the winter and every day is like December. So bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when this weather is gonna get better. Cause I remember the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke. But I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope. That you can do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road.
Morning, Dean. Your new truck has created a lot of interest in the pits this morning. Dean Marylees is the owner of Browne's Logistics, one of the state's leading heavy haulage operators. Dean and I have been friends for many years. On the recent appointment of Cully's Motorcycles as a KTM dealer, Dean, being a staunch supporter of the KTM brand, had indicated that he would put some sign writing on his truck to give his appointment a kick-along. Dean runs his KTM team of quads and solos under the banner of Marylees Motorsports. This truck being so new and the fact we were parked together led to a lot of people to assume Cully's Yamaha had bought another truck, one for Yamaha and one for KTM.